In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Google Workspace email so you and your team can start using professional addresses with your own domain. We'll walk through creating user accounts and making sure everyone has the right Google Workspace license so their email works correctly. First, make sure you're signed into your Google Workspace admin console using an administrator account. This is usually the account that was created when you first set up your organization. Once you're in the admin console, look for the section labeled Directory. This is where all of your users and groups are managed. Click on Directory and then select Users. This page is the central place where you'll see everyone who has an account in your organization. On the Users page, you'll notice a list of existing users if you already have any set up. To add a new person, look for the option to add a user, usually shown as a button near the top of the page. When you choose to add a user, you'll be prompted to enter some basic details. Start with the user's first and last name. This is what will appear in Gmail, Calendar, and other Google services when they send emails or invitations. Next, choose the primary email address for this user using your domain. For example, you might set something like info or support for a general address, or use a person's name as their email handle. This will be their official Google Workspace email address that they'll sign in with and use every day. You may also see options for setting a password or letting Google generate one automatically. If you create a password yourself, make sure it's something secure and plan how you'll share it with the user in a safe way. They can change it later when they first sign in. It's also a good idea to review any additional fields, like secondary email or recovery info, which can help if they ever get locked out of their account. After entering the basic details, confirm the new user. At this point, the account exists, but to actually use email and other workspace services, the user needs a license. Licenses control what features and apps each person has access to, such as Gmail, Drive, and Meet. To assign a license, stay on the user's detail page if it opens automatically, or click on the user's name from the users list. Look for a section related to licenses or subscriptions. Here you'll see the different Google Workspace plans available to your organization, such as Business Starter or Business Standard. Choose the plan that fits what this user needs. For basic email storage and collaboration tools, Business Starter is often enough, while Business Standard adds more storage and extra features. Make sure the license toggle is turned on for the plan you want to assign. Once you save or confirm, the license will be applied to that user. Repeat this process for yourself and any team members so that each person has an active Google Workspace license. When you're done, every user you created should have both an account and a license. That means they'll be able to sign in with their new email address, open Gmail, and start sending and receiving messages using your custom domain.